This video will go over the billing details section of your member profile. To get there on the dashboard, you will go under the account details section and you can see billing details here. But you can also get to it on this left menu under accounts at the bottom and then billing details from here. On this page is where you can access payment history. In this case, this is a sample account that we've created, so we don't have any payment history, but you would see it here and could access those invoices for that, and you can see any changes to your subscription here as well. And if you had a card on file for your subscription, you would see it here. If you needed to add a new card, so if your card got replaced or was expired and you got a new one, this is where you would update in that information so that when your billing cycle comes around, we have accurate payment information to keep your account active. Similar to this page is the Manage Account page, and this section here just takes you back to billing details. And if you need to downgrade, you would click here and you can contact us and we'll take care of that for you. You can also close your account from this page. And if in this case, this is a premium membership, which is our highest level, so there's no upgrade option. So let me log in and show you at a associate level. So associate level membership, you could also upgrade your membership, or if you're a professional, wanted to upgrade to premium, under manage account is where you would do that here as well, just above the billing information. So that is how to access and work through your billing details and managing your membership and subscription, as well as payment history.